Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Friday, October 15th, 4:53 p.m. That's Eastern here. Just getting this video out to y'all. So, market's closed. I don't trade after lunchtime on Fridays. That's 12 o'clock Eastern. So let's see what happened in the markets. We know that in micro oil getting started, we opened slightly gap up from yesterday's range. This is the high range from yesterday, as well as our contract high. Immediately shot down and had rejection of lower prices, where it tested the overnight highs and ultimately came back down to see that rejection once more. So pretty uneventful. Some trades in the minis, some in the micros were taken at our HVA levels that we give out the night before. As far as gold goes, gold opened well below yesterday's range. That is way above us here. If I can zoom out just ever so much. This is the range from yesterday all the way up here. And we opened down here. This long bar is news that we saw. It was pretty drastic for the micros. For the most part, pretty congested today in general. We did have some entries too there. But other than that, in micro gold, not much going on. As far as our equities go, again, those were pretty congested, as I mentioned earlier. Those also opened gap up here in the ES. Not as large as the day prior, but still, we had a gap opening. Small attempt towards the range. We had a reversal here, and then we just saw consolidations melting up. This was going to be a defining point for us if they were going to turn this around or they were going to rally behind it and drive it up higher, but they just couldn't get that momentum, and once they couldn't get it, that was pretty much the day. So again, just a ton of congestion, several opportunities nonetheless, but some of those opportunities that I'm circling right now. But other than that, it was just a slow grinding day, and it's Friday. They get their trades over with in the morning, those big banks. And then finally, after lunch, they finally came through, and what they do, they just created more congestion. Nasdaq also opened up gap up from yesterday's range, but it did go to the range high from yesterday, so just about where it closed. So immediately opened gap up, shot down, got into yesterday's range, came back down and just played with that range from yesterday. And that's just congestion. You can see that. But there were some opportunities for entries in the micro Nasdaq as well if you stuck around for them. Other than that, just a congested day. But let's get into our trades that we want to highlight. One of them is from Roman Jacobus. He has a advanced trade, live real money in the Nasdaq shortly after it opened. This is a trade that we teach only our live students up to 26. Again, that's live real money. And then Miro took the same entry. I would say he was chasing it, to be honest. He took it with 3. And again, that's the students that are going live or preparing to go live. But those are the 2 entries that I wanted to highlight. And we'll see you next week. If you're interested in finding out what we do, how we do it, come follow us on Facebook. Get in touch with one of our representatives there. Or you can come to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Reach out to us through there, and we look forward to seeing you in the room.